Everyone loves a bargain, and today we're going to see if we found one in the motoring section at Poundland. Welcome to Big Ted's Home and Garden. Today we're going to have a look at Goodyear snow foam. Now, I picked this up from Poundland of all places, but it didn't cost £1. It actually cost £4 for a 1 litre bottle. We're going to test it on this Audi A4 using a Karcher K4 pressure washer and a Karcher FJ6 foam cannon. The recommended mix ratio is 1 part snow foam solution to 5 parts water. So this 1 litre bottle of snow foam should give us 6 litres of solution. So at the recommended mix ratio, this is what we got. If we zoom in, you can see the foam's not particularly thick, but it is clinging to the car. But personally, I prefer snow foam a bit thicker, so I increased the ratio to a 50-50 mix. And if we zoom in on that, we can see that coverage is much better, especially when we compare it to the recommended 1:5 ratio, which is now virtually all run off. I was much happier with the 50-50 mix ratio, so I then used it to foam the whole car. Foaming the whole car used about 400 millilitres of the 50-50 solution, so 200 millilitres of the snow foam. After cleaning out the foam nozzle, which if you're not sure why, check out my video on what to do if your foam cannon is not producing enough foam. I then rinse the car off, and after drying, this is what it looked like. Now, it wasn't particularly dirty before we started, but it's actually come up quite well. So it's only had a single coat of snow foam. So is Goodyear snow foam any good? Well, using the 50-50 ratio, it's done a decent job. The coverage wasn't bad, and it shifted what dirt was on the car. It'd be interesting to see how it performed with something that's much dirtier, and it'd be interesting to see how it performed with a better snow foam cannon. But I couldn't do that today because Tom's borrowed mine and he hasn't brought it back yet. But is it a bargain? In my opinion, only if you don't intend to wash your car very often. Using the same foam cannon, I use the same ratio, 50-50, with Dirt Busters snow foam, and I can buy 10 litres of Dirt Busters for £25. To buy 10 litres of the Goodyear product at Poundland's £4 a litre, it's going to cost £40. So even though it performed better than I expected it to, there are better snow foams out there which will cost you less to use. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. We'll see you soon.